Hi, samahan niyo na naman ako sa isang lakad. For today, punta ulit tayo sa beach. Tapos magkukwentuhan tayo this time. So first topic natin is how do I prepare for a walk? So first is I take out the shoes, make sure it's clean. Kasi sa dagat, mabuhangin. So laging kakaroon ng buhangin yung shoes. So yun, dapat lagi malinis. Ayan, so since na-check na natin yung shoes, next is, syempre, susuot natin. So kailangan mo ng medyas. And the reason why nagsasapatos ako kahit lakad lang naman siya sa beach is because um, the walk is parang 6 kilometers daily. So, hindi kakayanin ng tsinelas lang yun kasi magpapaltos ka talaga sa paa. And it's nice na magtsinelas ka sometimes. Pero pag short walks lang, pag long walks, it's still recommended to wear shoes. Any shoes, any walking shoes will do. Alright, so tara, mag-shoes na tayo. Also, apart from shoes, kailangan mo din magdala ng bag for your essentials. Well, essentials ko lang naman is syempre yung vlogging setup and as well as yung headset kasi para if the noises in the background is too distracting, pwede kang mag-mute. But anyhow, yeah, let's continue. Maglagay na tayo ng sapatos. Okay, see you in a bit. And so, before ka umalis, also make sure na minom kayo ng tubig because hydration is very important. Ako kasi nasanay na ako na for my walks, since it's not strenuous naman, I don't bring water. Pero pag newbie ka, you can bring water. Ayan, so yung checklist ko lang is bag, headset, my phone, ginagamit natin pang shoot, and everything else is in the phone. So, ayun. Pwede na tayo umalis. Alright, so, let's go for a walk. Sabit ko lang to. Ayun, tapos isa pa pala, huwag niyong kakalimutan mag-smile para good mood kayo before you go for a walk. So, yun lang. Tara na! Oh, nandiyan pa kayo? Actually, mamaya pa naman ako aalis kasi maaga pa. So, magkakape muna ako. Mainit pa sa labas. So, ayoko namang masunog. So, kape muna tayo. And then, fast forward ko na lang to later pag nasa dagat na tayo. Alright, let's coffee! Right, so we're here, beach.
So, first thing that I do pagdating ko dito is mag-scout. Mag-scout kung okay ba yung lalakaran ko. And today, wala namang gaanong obstacles or anything. So, yun. And, ayan siya, yung laban. Ayan yung sunset later. So, I hope you guys are enjoying this kasi this is my first time doing a vlog. Like, kwentuhan. This is not normally what I do. Kasi as a mom, usually make the content ko. But this, it's something different. Magkwentuhan naman tayo kasi I'm also a little bit alone. A little bit lonely. Hindi alone. Kasi alone talaga ako. So, ayun. I just wanted to take you on the journey of walking. So, yes, samahan niyo ako today. Alright.
Yan, so we're walking. We're walking na, this is the path. Medyo maraming tao as you can see. Pero okay lang, sige lang. Lakad lang tayo. Yun sila. So, ayun. Check back natin later yung sunset. Alright. So, ayun, we're walking. I just wanna show you yung mga birds. Yan sila. So, ito yung normal path na tinitake ko. So, ayan, as you can see, skewed yung baywalk kasi nasira nung bagyong uwan. So, yan, ganyan. Hahanap tayo ng lalakaran. So, ganito. Yan. Lakad-lakad. Yan. Yan. Mga tao naman dito nililinisan nila yung baywalk. So, maganda naman. Except yan, may tayo dyan. So, hindi ko alam. Sabi ko lang nililinisan tapos may tayo. Yan. Maraming tao ngayon kasi pala it's Friday. And Friday siya. Yan. So, naglalakad pa rin tayo. Ang daming tao ngayon. So, it's a good thing na walking vlog yung ginagawa natin because there's nothing serene to do. Ang daming activities sa dagat. So, ayan. So, yun. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin dito. Ayan, so naglalakad pa rin tayo. Medyo konti ang tao dito sa part na to. Kaya, yeah. Mga lakad na ganito, slow lang, pero nakaka-relax. Alright, so in this part of the walk, medyo marami ng tao and there's a lot of background noises, which is why I chose to just record the walk rather than, do some kwento. Hindi na ako nagkwento dito kasi medyo, yun nga, noisy environment. Hindi siya conducive for, talking vlog. But anyhow, the point of me talking right now, I'm doing a voiceover by the way, is to show and share that no matter what you're going through, daanan mo lang. Never lose hope and always keep the faith. Kasi at the end of the day, matatapos din yan. Yun nga, sabi nila, at the moment or while you're in the moment, it feels that parang hindi na siya matatapos, parang hindi mo na magagawa ng paraan or anything. Pero in the future, when you look back at that same situation, it would be an eye-opening and it would be a great blessing. And for me right now, I'm also in transition and I'm enjoying the freedom. I'm enjoying the moments na hindi ako stressed. So, yun lang. So as you can see here, the sky is really orange. Ang ganda-ganda pagmasdan ng sky pag orange talaga siya. Sound of the waves is also very calming. Kaya siguro laging dito din ako naglalakad. Hindi ko na um, ginawang humagilap pa ng ibang location. Kasi unang-una, I guess, accessible siya sa akin. Pangalawa, ang ano kasi, ang peaceful kasi. And yun, malalanghap mo sariwang hangin. I tried walking sa palengke namin, pero thing is, mausok, daming tao, ganun din. So, I guess it's better here na dito na tayo maglakad sa dagat. And ang kalaban ko lang pag sa dagat ako naglalakad would be the rainy season or yung ulan. Kasi hindi ka makakapaglakad, umuulan. Yung isa sa my first talking vlog ever, yung unang-unang attempt ko sa talking vlog, naulanan ako noon, pero nakakatawa kasi yung experience na yun. If you want, you can watch that. Ililink ko na lang yung video na yun dito. If, gusto nyo makita paano maulan na. But yeah, pagmasdan nyo yan, yung dagat na yan, yung mga alon na yan, masdan na nyo yung paa ko. Di ba? Madumi. Yung sinasabi ko kanina sa intro sa video na mabuhangin. So always clean your shoes right after the walk and make sure that before you do another walking, make sure that the shoes is clean, walang buhangin na tira or walang residue ng buhangin na tira. Ayun si cute yung cat, kitty cat, white cat, parang pusa ng kapatid ko. So ayan, madami yan sila. Siya lang yung nasa labas I think ngayon. Meron pang isang tuxedo. Ayan. Binibideo ko siya tapos mamaya konti magwiwiwi pala siya. Diba? Ang laki ng ano nila, ng cat sand nila, literal na sand. Kasi nasa dagat sila. Yun. So, itong moment na to, pauwi na ako. Uuwi na. Lalakad tayo pa uwi. And daming ganap sa dagat ngayon. So, medyo hindi siya pang ASMR, hindi siya pang peaceful. So, pang talking vlog talaga. So, sumakto naman na talking vlog tayo. Hi, so fast forward to after the walk na. Unfortunately, hindi tayo nakapag-shoot while walking. Simply because ang daming tao, tapos ang dami kong problema sa audio kanina. Nagre-record ako ng intro doon sa location, pero hindi nagre-record dito sa mic. Kasi pala, naka-earpods ako. So, ayun, hindi siya na-record ng maayos. And right now, I'm recording this para, kumbaga, just to recap. So, this is my vlog for the walking session for today. It's December 18, Thursday. Nighttime na. So, ayun. Very relaxing naman siya. It's just that since Friday ngayon, ang dami masyadong tao. Doon. So, hindi siya ganun ka-peaceful like pag during weekdays, Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, ganyan. Thursday, yesterday, okay naman siya. Pero today, since Friday na, tapos ng pasok nila. So, andyan na sila. Attack of the people na. So, medyo introverted kasi tayo. So, ganun yung feeling. But anyhow, still, a good walk. Relax pa rin naman siya after nun. So, yun lang. Uy, andyan pa kayo. Actually, naka-set up na talaga. So, ayun. Just wanted to say thank you for the people who watched the vlog. Now, just to kind of give you a quick recap, pinag-usapan natin dito how I get ready for the walk. So, most importantly, if you're gonna do a long walk, it's important that you wear shoes because ayaw naman natin magpaltos tayo kasi masakit yung paltos pagka hindi ka nagsapatos. So, wear the right gear and bring in water if you are beginning your walking journey. So, water is very important. You need to stay hydrated, especially if your location is also like me, beside the beach, kasi very humid siya, so mas madali kang mapagod. And number three is have a mini bag that you can put your essentials, your flashlight kung magagabihan ka, and other things, headset, headphones kung kailangan mo. Your phone is very important as well, para, makontak or anything. And bring in some cash kasi hindi mo alam kung mamaya mapagod ka or magutom ka. Kasi nangyari na sa akin yun, yung sa sobrang haba ng nilalakad mo, nagugutom ka, nagiging parang hypoglycemic ka. So, hindi magandang feeling yun. Kailangan, that's a very dangerous pala. So, kailangan meron kang pambili ng pagkain kasi marami namang mga stores na din. So, ayun lang. Just keep walking. And, it's not complicated. It's a very simple thing to do. So, if you're inspired by the video and if you're inspired by this walk, then thank you so much. Share in the comments what you like about this content and what you like me to continue to do. And as well, ayun lang, this kind of content is a little bit different than usual. Also, as I mentioned, the reason why we're here kasi nga, hindi ako nakapag-record kanina kasi I've been having problems with the mic. But anyhow, that already happened. I learned the hard way. Kasi nga bago pa lang tayo sa pagko-content and pagvo-vlog. So, I guess, learning as we go is important. So, just be patient. I guess, patient with yourself. Just be patient with your journey, whatever it is. And, look for that activity that will bring you peace. And since I'm a talkative person, I actually like doing this, talking to the camera. And another thing is, parang miss ko makipag talastasan, makipag conversation sa mga tao. Pero yun nga, since pandemic, nag-iba na kasi yung nag-shift na yung lifestyle, wala nang gaanong physical interaction kasi before I work in a corporate industry in Manila. So, dati nung talaga face-to-face kayo, merong physical connection, may physical, tawag doon, body language. Ngayon kasi more on virtual na lahat halos since pandemic, parang Zoom meetings and all. And my work as well is a freelance virtual assistant. So, alam mo yun, wala na gaanong interaction with other human beings apart from the typical human beings na meron ako kasama ko. So, this is a bit different and very refreshing to be talking again. I know it's silly na, I'm talking to my phone. Pero at the end of this phone or at the end of this video is someone watching. So to that someone watching my videos, thank you so much for supporting and thank you so much for checking the content. And if you like the content, subscribe. If you don't like the content, then the channel is not for you. So ayun, the channel is more so for people who are looking for relaxing content, looking for peaceful content. And this vlog is a vlog. Sorry about that. Yung pusa kasi may hinuhuli dun sa ano. So, ayun. Ayun, this content is for people who needed to relax, to get away, and to silence their mind. I have a playlist. It's the ASMR walk. Those videos, they don't have any walking, just ambient sounds. So, doon, you can watch those and pwede rin pampatulog. So, yun lang. And I'm still continuing to practice and improve myself when it comes to vlogging. So, yes, itong vlogging journey na to, tutuloy-tuloy lang to. And mag-i-improve lang tayo na mag-i-improve from here. It's only going to improve and improve and improve. So, yeah, so this might not be the perfect output as if you compare it with other established channels, but yeah, since I'm a small channel, again, this is the best that I could do right now. But it doesn't mean that it's not. It doesn't mean that this is gonna stay in the same level. Of course, it's going to be optimized. It's going to be upgraded sooner or later. But right now, this is it, and this is me. So, yes, thank you so much for tuning in to One Walk at a Time. Again, if you like the content, like, comment, and share, and subscribe. All right.